So this is the new TAG Heuer Carrera Porsche Chronograph Special Edition. This is the first offering between the new partnership between TAG Heuer and Porsche. And I tell you, that is a long-awaited partnership. This box, very substantial. It's about 14 inches by probably 10. I love the attention to detail, the TAG Heuer logo in the middle. But let's also check out the side because we do get to see, let me just get this here. We do get to see a red line. And of course, Porsche, black and red is kind of their colors, especially in their motorsports division. But let's go ahead and open this up so we can see what this looks like inside. All right. So immediately bright red, and there's a TAG Heuer logo right in the middle. Let's try to open this up and take a look. Don't see what this is. Don't want to mess this up. There we go. This looks like the paperwork. Let's take a look, see what kind of paperwork we have. Looks like a big thank you note here. Yes. This is very substantial. This almost feels like a piece of wood. It's such thick cardstock. Very cool, though. A thank you note. Awesome. Some black envelope. Let's check that out in a minute. What do we got here? Okay, this looks like a return label. And what else? We got a receipt here, maybe. Yeah, not going to be returning this one. Yeah, I kind of like it. Let's see what's in the black envelope here. See if I can open this without breaking the seal. Okay. I like to keep my things in really great shape here. There we go. Try the other side. Don't want to rip it. And there we go. All right, let's see what we got here. It looks like some stickers. Oh, this is cool. Very nice sticker. Heuer Chronograph sticker. What else do we have here? A couple more. Looks like a couple more. And one looks like this is it. So this is nice. A little red TAG Heuer Carrera Original Racing Chronograph sticker. Very nice. I wonder if that's life size. Anyway, I like this. Let's check out this one here. Racing is life. Anything before or after is just waiting. Nice. What's this one here? Time never stops. Why should we? And of course, this one again. I really like this one. I wouldn't actually mind putting this on my car, except for the fact that I'm not going to mess with all this. I'm going to keep all this original and in the envelope. So yeah, this is nice. I like the feel of this sticker. Very cool, very cool. All right, let's put this stuff away. Let me just kind of get this off to the side for a minute, and we'll continue on. All right, so on the left here, it looks like the main box has probably got the watch in it. So, yeah, I'm going to go here first. Let's see what's in this little side. Got some little straps here. Oh, wow, this is tight. It's a good tight fit, little difficult to get out. All right, let's pat that back down. Let's got the TAG Heuer logo. We got a little box. It's in a sleeve. Let's try to get this sleeve off. All right, this is taking a minute. Oh, this is tight. Okay, let's speed this up a little bit. There we go. Okay, so we have a nice little box with the TAG Heuer logo again. Plain. Let's open it up. Okay, we've got a Porsche box inside and something underneath. This is a piece of plastic. Yeah, I don't really know what this is. Might have to figure that one out later and just put that back. Okay, let's take a look inside this little Porsche labeled box here. Here we go. Okay, looks like a key fob. This looks like the classic Porsche leather key fob you can pick up at the dealer. On the back we have something special here. Let's get this open. Again, I'm going to be very careful because I like to keep this in original condition. There we go. Yes. So on the front here, standard Porsche logo, just like you can get at the dealership on leather. But if we flip it over here on the back, we've got the TAG Heuer logo. Let me try to get this in the light so you can see it. Yeah, so you're not going to be able to pick this up at the dealer, but this looks like something that only comes with the watch. This is very cool, very nice piece. Let me put this back in the bag here. All right. Okay. All right. What's going on here? Okay. Okay, all right. Very nice. I like that. Yeah. Okay, we're going to keep all this together and seal that. There we go. And let me get this out of the way, and let's dig into the main box here. So again, certain the watch is inside here. This is quite the packaging. Let me pull this out. Not quite as tight as the last one. Plain empty hole there. All right, just going to open this up here. Yeah, there we go. All right. Oh, nice. I really love the attention to detail. The TAG Heuer logo on the bottom, on the panels that we're seeing, the Porsche logo, and, just all the attention to detail. All right, let's pull this up here. So again, we got another box here and a sleeve with the TAG Heuer logo on it and some, looks like numbers on the side and whatnot. Let's get this out of the sleeve. Oh, not nearly as hard as that last box. Oh, and we have a very nice box here. TAG Heuer logo, Porsche logo. I like that. Looks like nothing else on the box. Let's get this open gently. And there it is. So it looks like a very nice leather case with the TAG Heuer logo. And it says it's a Porsche special edition. Let's pull that out. Wait, what do we got here? Oh, looks like this comes out too. So let's pull that out. Let's set that aside. Let's look at what's in the bottom here before we get to the watch. So looks like a booklet. Yeah, it kind of looks like the story of probably their partnership. Obviously, I haven't read this yet, so I'll be looking at that later. But yeah, this is a nice booklet telling about, looks like the partnership between TAG Heuer and Porsche. Very cool. Yeah, I like it. And what else do we have here? This is probably the instructions and, oops. Yeah, instructions and the warranty information. Okay, pretty standard stuff there for any watch, I'm sure. Let's put this stuff back. And let's find that watch again. Okay, here we go. Now, I like this. Very nice leather case. Oh, wait, what's this? This looks like this is a warranty card. So this is a very credit card style thing by TAG Heuer. It's their warranty card. Hopefully I never have to use it, but very cool thing. I'm going to put that back and let's get back to this watch. Very nice case. I love the attention to detail, the TAG Heuer logo. The stitching. I mean, this kind of would remind you of the Porsche interior as well. So let's take a look. There we go. And there it is. Beautiful watch. Let's pull that out now. There we go. Got the label on there. Make sure I'll keep that with it too. Nice case. All right. Let me take a look at this. Let's slide it off here. There. All right. Yeah, this is a nice watch. Okay, I was struggling to get the blue protective film off, so let's get this box out of the way. Now I've done that, and let's zoom in. I want to get a good close look at this watch. This is a really nice watch. The attention to detail here is just beautiful. The font they're using around the dial here, it's a little dusty. The Porsche logo, it's a little dusty. Let me clean this off really quick. Give me just a sec. There we go. Okay, so again, what I was saying, the Porsche logo up here, the font around the dial, even the font on the face is all Porsche-inspired stuff. So all around the dial, the face, the Porsche logo itself. I have these same numbers on my 996 and the same font. The asphalt-inspired dial. I mean, this is a really beautiful watch. It feels heavy and substantial. It's wonderful. But it has something else cool that I really want you to see. And I'm going to need to flip that over for you. I'm going to try to keep my hands out of the way. Make sure we got lighting. It's really hard to do, but let's see if I can get it to where you can see. There it is pretty well. The looks like a modern day Porsche steering wheel. So you might find this in like a 911, for example, or a Boxster or a Cayman. Great sports steering wheel, great motif. And I love the way you can see the inner workings of the watch there. A substantial watch, a great watch, feels fantastic. We'll see how it does. Why don't we take it for a test drive? Okay, red or white? Let's go with the red. This is my 996 2001 model. Let's get inside. Okay, well, here we are. Let's start up the car. And let's take it for a spin. Okay, so here we are driving. Yeah, this is just great. I mean, I'm a big fan of chronographs anyway, and having this on my wrist is fantastic, especially since I drive a Porsche. Having a Porsche watch is just really cool, especially one this well made. Now, check this out in the dark here. You're going to see the face glow. It'll turn the dials and whatever will turn green. There you go. You can see it there. That's a very cool feature. I'm pretty sure the TAG Heuer chronographs prior to this did not have that, and it's really nice. So if you're, if it's dark outside and you still want to use your chronograph, like to time how long it takes you to go somewhere or whatever, it works fine. You'll be able to see what you're doing. Yeah, so I've found that this watch is compatible with my Porsche, so it'll probably be compatible with yours as well. All joking aside, this is a fantastic watch, high quality, very well made. I can't recommend it any more than I am now. Go out and get yourself one. First piece from Porsche and TAG Heuer. This is something that's going to hold its value, and it's going to be an heirloom for the rest of your life and your kids' life and their grandchildren, and so on and so forth. All right, take care. Thanks for listening.